Yeah, we'll do it together because I'm going to do one right now. Is everybody ready for a master class?
Yes, sir.
Woo! Here we go. And I'm going to show you with some caveats because today, because it's during market hours, we're going to get to use it with a stop loss. Ooh. You don't normally get to do that. Usually news happens pre or post, and you're stuck with your option until the next day. We get to trick it, though. Check this out. We're going to go to options. It's today the 12th. I'm going to do the 21st. The only reason it's because it's so cheap still. You can still do the 14th. It's just habit of mine. We're going to buy a call and a put for the exact same strike price. Okay. So I'm going to buy it for this $22. We'll buy 5 calls, 5 puts. Deal? Right here. If it'll fill. Wow, look at SPY pulling. Holy crap. This is going to affect the price, by the way, of these calls and stuff. SPY is pulling. Let me try this again. I'm going to buy it at the ask. So this is going to be 5 calls, 5 puts, exact same strike price. There it is. 5 puts. There you go. I have 5 of each, right?
Yep.
So right here, so we've got a call, 5 calls, 5 puts, right? So one's going to go up, one's going to go down. Now, what we want to happen is because one will go so much farther than the other, it will basically pay for the loss of the other one. But I'm going to put stops on these. Watch. Now, this is the tricky part because we don't know how much it's going to move, but I'm just going to put a stop for like halfway. Close and order entry. Right here, I'm going to do a stop. What did I pay for it? $1.47. I'll do $1. I'm going to do $1 on both directions, right? I'm going to do this one as well. Close and order entry. I'll put a stop, $1. So can anybody tell me why I would do that?
Yeah, because either direction it goes, you're not going to be losing as much.
Correct. And it's already going to tell us, hey, I'm going in that direction, right? So why have to try to lose the entire thing for it to go in one direction or the other, right? Because then I got to burn through, right? So if it goes down, it has to go enough to wipe out the other side, which is identical to itself, right?
And last Fed meeting, it went so fast in both directions, it could get them both. So you got to probably pay attention to them too.
Yep, and you don't, and you never know, right? We'll see what it does now. But typically, you're doing this, you're holding it overnight, right? It happens in the morning, and then you got to wait to wake up and go, well, let's see how it looks.
So, Coach, those stops would play, they would be effective overnight and into tomorrow?
No, stops break at night.
Okay.
So at 9:30, you got to be like, hand on the trigger. What am I doing?
Now, Coach, let's say it's going in the direction that you want, right?
Uh-huh.
Can you go back in there and modify your stop?
Yes.